How to clean using hydrogen peroxide. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Looking for tips on how to continue living a healthy and happy life? Check out our videos. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you're always updated. Hydrogen peroxide should be a part of every home because of its many unusual uses. Chemically represented as H202, hydrogen peroxide is one of the most common household disinfectants. Apart from using it for medical and cosmetic purposes, it can be used as one of the primary ingredients for your homemade natural cleaning solution. It can be used to clean your kitchen and bath. It is an effective tile cleaner, grout whitener, bath scum remover, and countertop disinfectant. You can also use it to whiten your laundry, clean carpets and rugs, and get rid of organic stains. Here are some hydrogen peroxide hacks you need to know now. Remove unknown stains. Do you have a stain but don't know exactly where it came from? Try hydrogen peroxide. All you need to do is mix it with a small amount of non-gel toothpaste or cream of tartar. Use a soft cloth to rub the paste on the stain and then rinse. Get rid of wine stain. Hydrogen peroxide is an effective wine stain remover. Remove grass stain. Are your children's clothes getting ruined by grass stain? Get some sort of relief by using hydrogen peroxide on the stain, rinse and launder afterward. Remove mildew. Any homeowner doesn't want to see or even smell mildew in their bathroom. In case you notice this in your bathroom, don't worry. There is something you can use to fight it: hydrogen peroxide. Pour it directly on the affected area and then wipe it clean. Get rid of blood stains. Hydrogen peroxide works effectively in removing fresh blood stains. Apply it on the affected area, rinse it using clean water, and then launder. Clean your cutting board. If you are looking for a safe yet effective bacteria cleaner for your cutting board, then you need to get your hydrogen peroxide out of your cabinet. Lower the possibility of bacteria proliferation on your cutting board by wiping vinegar first and then hydrogen peroxide on the board. Fruit and vegetable Washington, did you know that you can also use hydrogen peroxide as an alternative to costly fruit and veggie washes to get rid of bacteria on the produce? Spritz a little on your produce and then rinse it thoroughly before consuming. Clean sponges. Hydrogen peroxide could also help remove dirt and weird scent on your kitchen sponges. Soak them on a solution that's made of hydrogen peroxide and water. Rinse. Check the links in the description below. Clean the fridge and dishwasher. There are many ways to give your refrigerator and dishwasher a good clean. But don't forget to include hydrogen peroxide in your list of effective cleaning solutions. Spritz hydrogen peroxide in an empty and newly clean fridge or dishwasher. Let it sit for a few minutes before wiping the interior clean. Clean mirrors. Spray a bit of hydrogen peroxide onto clean cloth or paper towel and use it to wipe clean your mirrors to give it a clean, disinfected, and streak-free finish. Clean kids' toys. You don't have to spend too much on costly wipes. You can easily clean your children's toys with hydrogen peroxide. It's effective and safe for your kids. Check out our other cleaning tips where natural salt is used as a home cleaner.